Hello, everyone! Do you want a fast, fun way to sound more natural in English? So today, I'm going to talk about one of the most powerful and honestly most fun ways to learn English, the shadowing technique. Don't worry if you've never heard of it before. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it works and how this powerful technique can improve your English. It's like echoing a native speaker, and it trains your ears, mouth, and brain all at once. I'm so glad you're here, so welcome to English Practice Every Day. My name is Marina, and I learned English by studying on my own at home. If you're also learning English on your own and want to know how to become fluent, then stick around and let's practice together. Today, I'll be your study partner. We'll walk you step by step through the shadowing technique, what it is, why it works, and exactly how to practice it every day so your fluency improves quickly. No pressure, just simple, consistent practice.
In this first topic, I'll tell you what shadowing is and how the shadowing technique works. Shadowing is listening to a short audio or video from a native speaker and speaking immediately after or at the same time as the speaker, copying their words, rhythm, and tone. Imagine you're watching a movie on Netflix in English. You hear a scene you like, so pause the video, repeat the phrase exactly as the native speaker said it, then press play again and continue watching and repeating. That's shadowing. You're not just repeating words, you're copying how they speak, their intonation, expression, and pronunciation. Shadowing means speaking along with a native speaker, not after them. You listen and repeat almost instantly, matching their rhythm and tone. Think of it like a workout for your brain, your ears, and your mouth at the same time. And soon, it becomes one of the fastest ways to sound fluent and natural.
Now I'm going to tell you why shadowing really works. This is a technique that truly works because it forces your brain to process the meaning and produce the speech at the speed of a native speaker. It trains natural rhythm, linking, and intonation. It improves listening comprehension and pronunciation simultaneously. Shadowing isn't about memorizing grammar rules or lists of words. It's about training your brain to hear and produce real English sounds. It sharpens your listening, improves your rhythm, and boosts your confidence, even if you're practicing alone. At first, shadowing might feel awkward. Repeating things aloud when other people can hear you? Yeah, it might seem strange. But don't worry. Feeling awkward at first is perfectly normal. But trust me, people all over the world use this method. And today, you'll try it. You'll listen, pause, and speak what I'm saying in this video, or whatever video you choose to practice, just like practicing with a friend who's a native speaker. So, let's practice. Here is a complete step-by-step guide on the correct way to practice shadowing. Step 1. Choose your material. Choose short, clear audio clips of 30 to 90 seconds, such as a TED-Ed excerpt, a short podcast segment, a news sentence, or dialogue from an educational video. For beginners, opt for slow, clear speech. For advanced learners, choose clips with a natural conversational tone. Step 2. Listen without speaking. Play the clip once or twice. Don't try to speak yet. Just listen and focus on rhythm, stress, and emotion. Step 3. Read the transcript. If a transcript is available, read it quickly to know the words. This isn't about memorizing. It's not a memorization exercise. Just familiarize yourself with the unfamiliar vocabulary, preferably by reading it aloud. Step 4. Shadow with the transcript. Play the audio and speak along with the speaker. Don't worry about being perfect. Copy the pronunciation,
pauses, and intonation. If something is too fast, slow down the audio. Step 5. Shadow without looking. Now hide the transcript. Play the audio and shadow by ear. This trains memory and listening. Step 6. Record yourself. Record a shadowing exercise and listen to the recording. Compare. Observe two aspects to improve pronunciation: the connection between words or the rhythm. The recording is important for you to realize where you need to improve. Step 7. Repeat the exercise for about 5 to 15 minutes a day. Do this routine daily. Start with 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase. What matters most at this stage is consistency. Studying frequently is more effective than studying for long hours only occasionally. Remember, this isn't just about watching. It's about to practice speaking. Don't be shy. Your progress starts the moment you open your mouth and speak out loud.
When you shadow, don't worry too much about grammar or vocabulary. Instead, pay attention to intonation, expression, and rhythm. Fluency isn't only about words. It's about how you say them. Notice the tone, the emotion, the little pauses. That's what makes you sound alive and confident in English. Learning to speak fluent English isn't about being perfect. It's about progress. Step by step, practice by practice, you get closer to sounding natural. Even I had to learn from scratch, and if I could do it, you can too. At first, shadowing feels strange, but keep going. The more you do it, the faster your brain adapts. Remember, fluency isn't about perfection. It's about confidence, rhythm, and connection. It's about sounding natural, confident, and alive when you speak. Are you ready to shadow? Now it's your turn. Try shadowing with this video, or choose your favorite scene from a movie or song. Then tell me in the comments, what's the first line you're going to shadow today? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more English practice, share it with your friends, and let's keep growing together. So keep practicing and have fun while you do it. You've got this. See you in the next video.